Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can use eye contact correction. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for weed.io. Open the official website and make sure to log in using your account. After logging in, you will be redirected to the homepage of the website. Create a new project and you will be able to see this type of page. Now upload the target media onto the website. Trim to desired length. Go to the search icon and type in eye contact. Select the feature. You can see that it is premium, but you can get a free trial for 7 days. Simply apply the effect, wait for it, and you can see that it looks really natural. And that's how you can use eye contact correction. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.